morning guys, and in front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to block a number. So if you want to block some unwanted number, just open your phone dialer and go to contact list. So here we've got a few contacts. Pick the one that you want to block, scroll down, and here you'll notice block numbers. So just mark here, confirm that you truly want to block it, and that's it. It is blocked now, so it will not be able to reach you anyhow, like neither from a phone call or from the message. So this is it. This is how you can block the contact. Whenever you want to unblock this caller, just mark unblock numbers, confirm, and that's it. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.